So you can tell by the shadow what kind of a day it is. It's sunny and gorgeous. We're out for a walk. It's breezy though. It's not going to be much of a day for doing any kind of photography with long exposure because everything will be wild and kind of blurred. The plum trees those are Italian, different names. Italian prunes, some people call them plums. So anyway, they're in bloom. The water is choppy out there. Lots of breeze. The eagles have been flying around this morning. So yeah, bright day. Getting a good walk out this morning. Yeah, look at that. So pretty back there. Oh my goodness. Back. Oh.